stop where you are? How'd you make it so far? That look in your eyes, you're staring down evil, pretending that people can change. But now your body's gasping for breath, knowing death will reveal your disguise. So is it worth it to you to be different and strange? And they'll say you don't belong, you're just a nightingale stuck in the swan song. And no one will give you reasons to open your eyes. So how can you claim that two hearts are one and the same, when you're selling your stories for less than it's worth to be spending your time? So don't make me laugh, you were first in your class with those bustin' brown shoes. See, those were the days before drugstores and playgrounds were one. And it's been too many years for 5, 6, 7, 8 more good reasons to use. You wasted your charm in the fight with an army of one. And you tried hard to fake it, but the training was basic, like singing the blues. So is it worth it to you when you're killing someone? Is it worth it to lose when the winners don't run? And is it worth it to you to be subject to change? Is it worth it to you to be different and strange? They'll say you don't belong, you're just a nightingale stuck in the swan song. No one will give you a reason to open your eyes. So how can you claim that two hearts are one and the same, when you're selling your stories for less than it's worth to be spending your time?
For now, we want to thank Grey Reverend and remind you that you can earn 2 times thank you points on dining out and entertainment with the Citi Thank You Preferred Card.